you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politics.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show you. Today I'm going to show you about what the NERF guns price. Before that, please subscribe my channel and don't forget my channel has been a good channel for you all still now. Okay, please must subscribe my channel. Now we are going to show in Flipkart. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. Okay, let's see NERF Mega. We have 14 products in this NERF Mega. Let me show you all the products. We have NERF Mega Master and damn powerful one. It costs 6,479, which is the most best one. And Hasbro NERF and Strike Mega is 1,828. And we have NERF Mega Thunder. It costs 4,049. NERF Mega Tri Break, because price means 3. The price is 1,102. And we have NERF Twin Shock, damn powerful one. It costs 3,000. NERF and Strike Mega. NERF and Strike Mega also, yeah. Guys, I wanna show. NERF and Strike card we have. Let me show you NERF gun sling time. Sorry, the spelling was wrong. NERF guns. We have 184 products. In the NERF descriptive and strict, it costs 794. And NERF Fast Strike, I have Fast Strike. Yeah, I've already showed this video about this gun. It's 635. NERF Alpha Hawk, it costs 2,000. NERF Twin Shock, I just now is guys. Now I have NERF Falcon Fire, it costs some 1,259. And we have NERF Allied Dual Strike. This 1,379. This is the modelers which we see in the big guns, NERF modelers. NERF Handstrike Allied Bullet, where we get it for free. No modelers barrel. You know about the barrel which is in the NERF Allied. Next, I'm gonna show you the NERF Handstrike. I have so many. I'm gonna release the videos about more videos, exciting videos. This is the modelers which that are bullets stored. There are something like a lot of bullets in it. I'm gonna show you more videos about this and the other things. Must watch my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Be quite thanks for that. Please subscribe my channel, guys.